Would you want a car refrigerator that adapts to any scenario? We expect portable refrigerators to be more than just functional. With an Alpicool NL30 you can go to any outdoor scenario you can think of. Spring night campfires, summer beach vacations, fall outdoor camping trips, winter family gatherings, anywhere you can think of it's got it covered. There's also a superb cooling function in just the right size and size, plus a unique green exterior to add color to your outdoor outings. Follow us to learn more about this innovative refrigerator.